Guys, oh man. There is, see that up there in the corner? That one heart left. One mistake. We're toast. And I don't know how to refill the lives. I don't know. You got to wait like 24 hours or something. But we only got one more lesson to get that crown. And we're going to get 20 XP. These are the tough ones. And we're jumping right in. Head first. Let's start this challenge. We're going to be brave, bold, and courageous and just slaughter through these lessons like a hot knife through butter.
Un garçon mange un croissant.
Un garçon mange un croissant. So, type the English. So, a boy is eating a croissant. So, boy is eating a croissant. Un garçon mange un croissant. I'm double checking everything. No mistakes. My crown is on the line. Are you a dog? So, tu es with an S, not a T. Un chien. Tu es un chien. Ah, devastation. Oh, what is wrong? What did I typed it in. Oh, spelling mistake. I feel heartbroken, man. Now what? What are they going to do? Kick me off? I don't have enough blue diamonds. No, thank you. Yeah, I'm sure. I quit. I give up. Come on, give me an ad option or something. I want to jump back in the fray. Come on. They're going to really boot me out like that? You can learn more if you pay. Come on, man. What happens if I try to jump back in? No hearts left. Get hearts. Oh, I can get the trial. You have no hearts left. Next heart is in 3. So every 3 hours I get a heart? Let's try a practice heart. What does that do? Oh, is it like a mercy thing? Like, here, man. You still want to learn? Here you go, kid. 1 free heart for you. 1 chance. Okay, this is just a quick review lesson, I guess. No crowns today. I am a girl. Je suis une fille. Je suis une fille. Alright, I'll take a review. That's
Tu es un chat.
Tu es un chien, so you are a dog. Oh, cat. Man, my brain is foggy. I've been sitting here for an hour. Like, probably the last 5 videos you saw, the last 5 days. That was me just sitting here for like an hour. It's fun. A boy and a girl. So, but I'll be back tomorrow. So, you'll see the streak have to start all over again. A boy and a girl. I talk too much. A boy is un garçon.
Un garçon.
Et une fille. Alright.
Une femme et une fille.
So, une femme et une fille.
Une fille.
So a woman and a girl. A girl and a boy. So, what? Une fille? Une fille et un garçon.
Un garçon.
Alright.
C'est un cheval.
C'est un cheval. So it's a horse. It is a horse. Ah, spelling mistakes. That's why I lost all my hearts. I don't double check my spelling mistakes. So it's kind of good to do this review just to... Why is this happening to me? Oh, type what I hear. I did type. Oh, they want me to type in the French. C'est un cheval. Okay, got it. Is that it? Oh, I can keep going. Okay. Unlimited hearts for the reviews. I don't mind that. So, tu es marié?
Tu es marié.
Tu es marié.
Un chien et un cheval.
So, un chien et un cheval.
Cheval.
A dog and a horse.
Une fille.
Une fille. Type the French you hear. So, une fille. Is that how you spell fille? Yeah. Une fille. A cat in a pizza. Do I get XP for this, or this is just like a mercy? A cat in a pizza. Un chat
Un,
et une pizza?
une.
Yeah, it's gotta be. There's no other
Pizza.
un or une in this one.
Un garçon et un chat.
Okay, un garçon with a C with a squiggly. Un garçon
Un garçon et un chat.
et un chat. Gotta type it right. I'm putting a period in there. Don't take away my streak. You are a cat. Tu es un chat.
Chat.
Tu es un chat. I like his voice.
Tu es Alice?
Tu es Alice?
Alice.
You didn't even hear that. Let's hear it slowly.
Tu es
Oh, now he says it.
Alice? Tu es Alice?
Tu es Alice? Says it so
Une
fast.
pizza.
Une pizza. Une pizza. So, if pizza's feminine, okay.
Un chat et un garçon.
So, un chat et un garçon. I don't know if I was supposed to have the S, the ET, or ES. Un chat? No, yeah. ET, I think.
Un homme et un chat.
I'll understand that the more I see it. Un homme et un chat? Is that what he said?
Un homme et un chat.
Is it supposed to type the French? Type the French. So, un homme, whoops, et un chat. Un homme et un chat. You are eating a croissant. So, type the French. Okay. Tu manges un croissant? Tu manges finesse un croissant. Tu manges un croissant. Do I get a détente or what? Practice complete. I needed that review. Oh! They give me XP? I'm not going to beat those guys, though, today. I'm going to have to let them have the victory for today, and I'll be back, like, tomorrow. I should be wearing a different shirt. Wearing my Angry Birds. Tomorrow's another day. And another lesson. I might do the 2 weeks free. I don't know yet. Oh! I gained a heart. You get a heart for practicing? Is that? Oh. Okay. Looks like you'll see me in the same shirt tomorrow. Oh, man.